All right, so the way we like to finish the show up is with something we call the Whissel Widget of the Week. This is something we're using in our business. It saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have a little bit more fun. What do you got for us, Brian?
I kind of want to know what your widget is because I've got obviously two. Which one are you going with first? Why don't you go first?
All right, good, because
I
I struggled to come up with one because how many episodes have we done of this, Tomcat?
So season 2 will be episode 64.
So we've done like 64 episodes, and we share
season
two
two.
things every single time.
Yep.
So we've shared like over 100 of these. So hence why Brian is using a fucking marker with a magnet on it.
It's great. It's great. Literally, I saw someone else had it. Chris had it in his office, and I was like, "Do you like these?" He goes, "I love them. They're great."
Yeah.
God, someone let him know they're great. I'm gonna hide all his markers and know exactly where mine are. So what's your widget?
All right, the one I want to share with you guys today. Zoom is really blown up as far as people using it for video chatting and doing meetings and stuff over Zoom. And Zoom has a webinar platform, but I think it sucks. The reason is it's confusing for people because when you do a Zoom webinar, you have chat and you have Q&A. And people are just flat out stupid. You can tell them over and over and over again, if you have questions, put them in the Q&A. Well, then you got a bunch of stupid people who are putting questions in the chat.
Yep.
So I despise Zoom's webinar platform. I think it's crap. Or as Chris from our team likes to say, dog shit. Gotcha, Chris. So the platform that we like to use for webinars is one that Frank Kern put together, or at least is an investor in, or owns it, or something. Someone that he endorses. And if you don't know Frank Kern, he's the master of doing webinars. So the service is called Webinarjam. So Webinarjam is a really great platform. It's specifically built for webinars. It's very easy. There's a ton of landing page options on the back end that make it look very, very professional. It's very easy to use. You don't need a graphic design degree or a whole lot of tech knowledge. It's pretty simple to build out. And it's a very good platform when you're up and running and you get webinars going. So if you're looking for something to build webinars on in 2021, I would strongly encourage you to check out Webinarjam.
Cool. The one I have is a way to decrease the sizes of your images in terms of file sizes while maintaining a high level of quality. And this is a tool called Tiny PNG. You upload a file through there and it will compress it, and it tells you, hey, I compressed it 86%, 83%, 92%, whatever. But the great thing about using this is great when you're using images on your website and you want load times to be fast when sending images through email. If you use something like MailChimp, it'll tell you the file size is too big, and so they can compress it. But if you compress it, it's just going to help the emails go faster, the images load faster, and just a better client experience. It's really easy. It's free. They probably have a premium version, but I've never had to use it. But yeah, it's called tinypng.com, I think. But
yeah, and that matters a lot for email deliverability too.
Yep.
When you send emails that have way too many images in them or big fat images, it will actually push those into spam or into promotions or places you don't want them to go. So making sure you shrink down all your images when you send an email is pretty important.
Yep.
Cool. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the show today. If you did, we'd really appreciate it. If you are listening, whatever platform you're listening on, give us a thumbs up or a rating on there. That helps us a ton. If you're watching on YouTube, give us a little thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notified whenever we drop some new episodes. If you have questions you want to have us answer on a future episode, you can always go to thewhisselway.com. You can ask questions, join our Facebook group, subscribe to the podcast, the YouTube channel, join our referral network, and find out about our upcoming Media Mayor Mastermind event that we're putting together. Hopefully you guys got a lot of value out of the show today. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of the Whissel Way Podcast.
See you guys next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.